Hi guys, so today susubukan natin i-solve tong multiplication problem na to involving exponents. So sa nakikita nyo, yung mga base na to are different or magkakaiba. Pero as you can see, pareha sila ng exponents. So paano ba ito sinusolve? So usually sa mga nakakaalam, usually sinusolve nito is pagkuha ng value ng mga base nila with their exponents. So, eto, kinukuha na nila yung value nito. 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3 is equals to 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is equals to, sorry for the bad penmanship, 27. So, ito, meron na tayong 27. 4 cube is 4 times 4 times 4 is equals to 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So times 64. So ilan ba yung 64 times 27? So 64 times 27. Mahihirapan na akong mag-solve nito, so we're just gonna use a calculator. So 64 times 27 is 1,728. So, ito lang ba yung paraan para mag-solve ng ganitong mga problema? So, actually meron isa, which is for some application, mas madali siyang gamitin compared sa itong conventional na solution. So, as long as magkaparehas lang yung exponents nila, kahit magkaiba yung base, pwede mo silang i-combine yung dalawang base na to, sa common exponent nila. So, like this. We're gonna put these two bases sa isang parentheses. So, si 3 at si 4, i-multiply natin sa loob ng ng parentheses. Tapos, kukunin lang natin yung common exponent nila, which is 3, di ba? So, ito. We're gonna multiply 3 times 4 is 12. Tama? 12. 12 cube. Ito, pangit ng parenthesis. Sorry. Hirap talaga pag mouse ginagamit eh. So, ito, we're just gonna multiply it. 12 times 12 times 12. Obvious na, 12 times 12 is equals to 144, right? So, I will assume na 144 times 12 will be the same here. It should be 1,728. So, sorry. I'm gonna multiply 144 times 12. Yeah, tama. So, as you can see, parehas lang ng answer. So, as long as the same exponents, kahit different yung bases, you can combine the two bases. Sige, gawa tayo ng another example. So, gawin natin tong mas madali. So, let's see. Okay, so we're gonna solve for this. 4 cube times 1/4. Shucks. 1/4 cube. So, let's try the conventional method, yung sinosolve. Ginagawa natin sa klase, or probably yung mga ordinary guy like me, ganito magsosolve. Yung mga smart guys, syempre ginagawa nila or minimemorize na nila yung answers. Tayong mga hindi magaling or medyo alanganin sa math, ginaganito natin. So, eto, same answer lang to kanina eh. So, it should be 64. Yeah, 64 Tama. So, 4 times 4 times 4 is equals to 64. And yung 1/4 naman, inverse lang naman to eh. So, eto, 64 na yan. 1/64. So, eto, 64 times 1/64 is equals to 64 times 1 is 64 divided by 64 is 1. So, ito yung final answer. Let's try it with the easier method. So, let's combine them in a parenthesis. So, 4 times 1/4. Then, yung common exponent niya, which is 3. So, 4 times 1, it's 4. Divide by 4, it should be 1, right? 1 cube. Obvious naman, di ba? So, 1 times 1 times 1 is equals to, yeah, tama. So, eto. So, this is how you solve bases or different bases with same exponents in a multiplication problem. Okay?